Hello and welcome. This is 2023 Prizm Draft Picks Hobby 4-box Pick Your Color 46. Thank you all for the teamwork on getting this thing filled. We are trying to guess our first numbered auto. Clayton Tune. He's going to be your starter this week, I think, in Arizona. Aaron Rodgers. That's a unique guess. All right, take your teams in the next black, elite, Bowman's Best, and score random team. Don't forget to use your code SPOOKY. Addison. Our first auto. Jermaine Waller will roll it. Nobody guessed that. Red auto of Jermaine Waller. We have a bonus auto. /99, Tavius Robinson. Purple cracked ice. Purple ice auto. 808 is Aloha. Max Duggan. And some inserts. I'm in class, no auto right now. I'm in class. I love that. I can't type to you right now, but I love that. Marvin Mims, Hyatt, Roger Staubach, refractor, sorry, silver. Kyle Soleil, silver auto. Marvin Mims, Russell Wilson, Ghoulish Gold. I want to see everything. Let's have a color blast. Let's have a manga. Let's have black gold and regular gold and gold vinyl. Let's hit one of everything. We have Mojo. Christian Gonzalez, rookie, silver. Chris Oladukin. Achan. Olave. And Mojo non-auto of Josh Downs. I bet on him this week. Olave color match. Ohio State. That one's to 25. We can check the numbering on it. 3 of 25 on the Josh Downs Mojo. All right, we continue. Snakeskin. Breesy, rookie silver to 49. Corey Sutton, orange pulsar. Orange pulsar auto, Jag 08. Eli. Anthony Richardson, snakeskin. Cliente. Nice hit. Corey Sutton and Eli Manning. Bo Jackson. Bonus autos. Mahomes. Emmett. Bryce Young on the color blast. Demo. I've been trying to sell this spot all day. What the happened? Happy Halloween. Whoa. That's picture worthy. Bang. Someone asked earlier, did a color blast come out yet? What the demo? You almost sold your spot. You didn't like it.
Hey,
You missed it.
I heard screaming.
You missed it. Oh, mama. Mark Andrews. Foskey. Signing day base auto. I took one. See if you like it.
No.
You don't like it?
I also can't be in here with the lights off. I'm sorry.
Turn the light on. I just turned them off because you were gone.
I know someone hit one of these, like.
You're welcome. Buy teams in the next one. Use code SPOOKY in the store. Not necessarily the next one of these, but the next break. Probably don't want in the next one of these. Deion Sanders, silver. Jaden Reed. Joe Mixon, Marvin Mims.
You can. Oh, shoot. You can hand me.
Matt Demo. Pick your color 46. This will go out tomorrow if you have cards.
Matt Dimmo, my biggest social media fan. If he's still in here.
He is. Ty Chandler to 49. Orange Pulsar auto. Christopher Smith. Bonus auto. Isaiah Land Hyper auto.
Is his name just Matt Dimmo?
Yep. CJ Stroud Cracked Ice. 808 is Aloha. To 149. Eli Manning. Yesterday, I went on baseball. What did we hit? We hit Corbin Carroll auto. We hit a redemption to 25 of Trout and Ohtani. And we hit,
I am.
what's his name?
You haven't said anything mean in a while, but it's okay.
We hit an Ichiro to 50. So
I appreciate your mean comments.
if we fill the breaks, I'll pull the heat. You guys help me fill and I'll pull the heat.
Yes. Wait, PYC number.
Javante.
46.
Matt Landers to 199. Red auto. Tucker Kraft. Valid argument. What are you two arguing about?
No, I'm just giving him a hard time because he's harsh on my of all people. He's very harsh.
I feel like a lot of people are harsh on your social media. He's different.
No. I don't think
Shame.
so.
Shame. We have more Mojo, more snakeskin. Let's get another beat.
No, I have I'm saying
A.T. Perry.
I have overwhelming support from all of
Chance
our customers.
Campbell. Hyper customer. Hyper auto. Jonathan Mingo. This is a Mojo non-auto. Beasteed. Mark Andrews, one of the best tight ends. That's also a pretty cool color match for the Sooners.
No, you can't agree with everything. Honestly, and I mean this so seriously, I like it when people comment things, disagreements or different things on my videos, because it makes for good engagement and it promotes conversation. I love it. It's funny, I'm not super active on Twitter, but I tweeted something the other day and I didn't even see because I never go on. But one of my friends, I guess, responded to it and said a standby.
Anthony Richardson to 99, red auto, Rye B. How funny is that, Ryan? That is so great. That is great.
Oh, here's our stack.
All right, I'm going to take that one and the other one out we'll beat those. If I can find it.
Yeah, I don't even know, but basically my friend was he thought I was mad at him because I didn't respond to a tweet when he said a different argument. He DM'd me and was I'm so sorry. I hope that this didn't offend you. I'm wait, no, not at all.
Randy Moss, Tyree Wilson.
Ha! I'm glad. I win.
Sounds good. I just think it's funny because Boosted said that. He said he hopes you hit a big red auto because of what happened. So I'm gonna beat the sorted with the snakeskin. We have black gold. This has been a good break. We hit the color blast. We hit some good Anthony Richardsons.
We need to sweat the black gold a good sweat.
Vincent Gray. Hyper auto, Jaden Reed. We have a Mojo auto of Tanner Morgan. Mojo auto, Johnny Cards.
We'll save the black gold.
More Mark Andrews.
Lorna. Oh, no, it's
Ryby.
He had both spots?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Maybe he didn't.
It's pick your color.
Yeah, I fucked that up. You're right. Just beating the sword on the auto.
You still want to beat the sword on this?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's not have a social media debate right now.
No, he's just giving...
I don't think there's anyone outside of Scott that would disagree with that, but neither here nor there. Scott owns the place, Demo. Olave to 149, Braylon Sanders. Charbonnet.
You've gotten a lot of backer lately.
You caught a mistake of mine.
I did. You forgot it was pick your color.
I haven't done a ton of pick your color, honestly. Yes, that makes sense, though.
You're right. The baseball releases do need social love. We posted, B. Jordan had a big hit on release day for Tier 1. The Ohtani 1 of 1. That was big.
Was it 1 to 10?
Oh, either way, big.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will definitely be doing a lot of content. Backer and I are going on for that release. We actually just filmed a video, so we'll be doing a lot of content.
Matt Landers again to 199, red auto. DeAndre Hopkins. Dotson. All right, 3 packs left. We still have the black gold sweat.
That's exciting.
It's less exciting in pick your color because the person who is getting the card already knows they're getting the card. So it's only a sweat for them.
Yeah.
Whereas in the other,
That
way,
is
it's a sweat
true.
for 30
You're
people.
right. I guess that's true.
It's only a sweat for one person.
Damn.
But in case he's here, we're gonna make him sweat it.
That's crazy, Demo. Hobby.
D-Cards has a sweat. Jamar Gibbs, Clayton Tune, Tyree Wilson, Eric Barriere. Hyper Auto, Jalen Waddle, Amon-Ra Snakeskin. We love Amon-Ra on this channel.
Anthony Richardson.
Yeah, it'd be cool actually to talk about that in the video. Is this regular right here?
Yes.
These? And probably these.
That's what I'm using.
Yep. All right, 2 packs left. We have a redemption.
Yeah, Demo, it's funny.
Who would determine like what the top 10 hits are though?
I've been wanting to do that for quite some time, to be honest with you.
Keely Ringo red.
It has yet to be approved, is the honest answer.
Hyatt. All right, we have 1 pack left, and then we have 2 sweats. We'll do the redemption right now. You see a card thingy? We'll just use this. Ooh. This is an ad for Post-it, if you want to send us some money. Ooh.
Yeah, 5 would be more realistic.
Signing Day Blue Ice. Blue Ice for 808 is Aloha. Jordan Addison. Addison for the Vikings. 808 is Aloha. That's what it says, right? Blue Ice Auto?
Yes.
On this? Yeah, Blue Ice. What? That's true. He said in a world where people think breakers get good cases, like that the cases are kind of like rigged, it brings people in if you show your big hits of the week. Justin Hall, Tucker Kraft, Isaiah Land, Burrow Blue, Blue Wave of Burrow, Olave. All right, we still have our sweat. We still have our sweat. I think those are 55s. Here.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to do a recap after we see our black gold. Hopefully our black gold is big.
I feel it.
We've had a pretty decent break so far, and we have some other teams on the screen we want to...
Isn't there still a sweat? Because we don't know if it's an auto or not auto?
No, we know it's not an auto because the card in front of it's an auto.
Right.
It would be backwards if it was an auto. We wouldn't know it was black gold. All right, this is the auto. Tanner Morgan, Mojo Auto. We'll show it in a second. University of Southern California. USC. Marcus Allen. 4 of 5. Look how old this photo is. Like the helmet, the football. 4 of 5 on the Marcus Allen. And here is your Mojo Auto of Tanner Morgan. All right, here's a recap. My bad. If you can do these if you want. You just need things from behind me. Regular things.
Oh, not the ones.
Here you go. All right. Whoop. Woo. Thank you. Thank you. Buy your teams on the screen. Buy from the store. Use the code SPOOKY. 6% off.
5.
I said 5, and everyone said that they were giving them 6. The email says 5. The telegram says 5. Whoever set up the code put a 6.
Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I was told 5.
Yeah, Hama had on his thing 6%, so I put 5, and then Rainier said it's giving us 6% off, so I changed it.
All right.
5 or 6. One or the other. Spooky.
It's
All right.
That's a spooky surprise. Wait a minute. Why does this not have a university on it? Oh, this one's not
Because some of them
licensed.
are licensed and approved. That was our break. 2023 Prizm Draft Picks Hobby. 4-box. Pick your color 46. Thank you for joining.